Alright everybody, we're gonna do a video on this Dave made that we're gonna put up for sale here at the shop. We're gonna run it with a little radio. Amplifier standby. We got a 5-watt slug in reflect, 25-watt slug in drive. I'll show you what the radio does. Bird, hello, hello. A little over 6 watts bird. Turn your peak kit on. Hello, about 18 watts peak. Your pass-through, hello, 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 hello. Probably nothing. And we'll turn the Dave made on. It does have an SSB switch, but I don't suggest using it on SSB single side band because it is not biased. 5 watts in reflect from dummy load, 1000 watts in bird, 1000 watts in peak. Hello, 1000 watts peak. Hello, 350 bird. Hello, 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 hello. This is hardly nothing on that meter. That's what it is. A Dave made 1x4 rebuilt cuz custom. Show enough.